So, ito na pala guys, yung ginawa natin na banana bread na gamit ko is banana peel. Guys, tingnan nyo. Parang sarap niya guys. Try natin. First time guys gumawa ng banana bread na gamit ko is banana peel. So, ito natin. Kung okay ba siya. Ang sarap.